Now we're going to use the floor function to find some integrals. We're going to start with this simple and quick overview of how to integrate when you have a floor function. And we're going to find the value of the floor function between 0 and k. K in this case, it's an integer. This is the key to doing all these problems dealing with the floor function. So this is the key here. If we do this one right, we're gonna do all the other ones in the same manner with some modifications only. Okay, the best option that we can do is we can graph the floor function to have an idea what's going on. So between, let me first do 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is enough. So between 0 and 1, the floor here is just 0. Between 1 and 2, the floor is just 1. When we reach 2, we have a small circle to denote that we didn't get to 2 yet. Between 2 and 3, the floor value is 2. And between 3 and 4, the floor value is 3. Okay, so the meaning of the integral is getting these areas here. Here we have 0, therefore we have a 0 integral here. Between 1 and 2, we have the rectangle having base 1 and height 1. So we have this one here, 1. And between 2 and 3, we have this value of 1 and 2. Therefore, we have 2 here. And between 3 and 4, we have 3. And we have this area here. Okay, and clearly we can extend these to the values between k minus 1 and k. This value here now, let's assume that this is this high. So let's assume that, so here this value is k minus 1. Okay, the value here is k minus 1. And this means, okay, this means that we can clearly do this one by just summing up these areas. Here we have 1, between 1 and 2, between 0 and 1 we have 0. Between 1 and 2 we have 1. Between 2 and 3 we have 2, and etc. Between k minus 1 and k we have k minus 1. And this is exactly the value of this floor function between 0 and k. And what do we know about this one here? So you know that this, we can sum this one very easily by taking the last number and multiply it by the next, and we divide by 2. And this is the area. Okay, this is the value of this integral. Okay, if we have some function, okay, let's say if we have the integral between 0 and k, let's assume that we have k, integer now, and we want to find the value of this one here, f of x dx. Okay, so we're going to work the same way. Okay, we're going to see the value of f on this interval, on the intervals 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and etc., because this is just becoming a constant on each interval. Okay, we'll see what we can do with this one, but for now it's good to understand this one and see how we got it and how did we get this one. Okay, this is the Sunday breakfast. Thank you very much.